I've been motovlogging for about 2 years now. This is my first setup on my K5, little GoPro sticky mount. Now I'm not quite sure what kept this on because I'd hit some deep triple digits with this, never had any issues. But it did always look very sketchy. This is what upgraded to on my K6, a custom 3D printed mount with some good 3M sticky tape. But at about 180 miles an hour and some other situations, it started cracking. As well as this thing sticks off like a freaking dumbbell. Now, I'm not being paid by Chin Mounts to say this, but I've seen a lot of good reviews on these, so I had to pick it up, as I am concerned that this will eventually go and eject itself from my helmet. So what I have here is accessory pack and their creator pack. Because a creator. And then this comes with chin mount itself, the tether, and some cleaning wipes. So let's get to ripping this off. Now, one of the things that I really appreciate about this package is all the options that they provide for you, as well as extras. I have a habit of losing these from time to time. As a creator, I don't know what the shot may require. Having options like this makes my job that much easier. All right, it's on, all done. Now I'm ready to go for a ride.